Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure funding for study abroad with Sallie Mae, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching your study abroad program and its financial requirements. Understand the total cost, including tuition, housing, travel, and living expenses. Next, visit the Sallie Mae website to gather information on their study abroad loan options. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill out the necessary personal information to complete your profile. Explore the different loan products offered by Sallie Mae for students abroad. Pay attention to interest rates, repayment terms, and any special features of each loan. Determine the amount you need to borrow based on your financial calculations. Use the loan calculator on the Sallie Mae website to estimate monthly payments. Gather necessary documents, including your school acceptance letter and financial aid information. Prepare proof of enrollment documentation to submit with your application. Start the loan application process by selecting the appropriate loan type. Complete the application form with accurate and detailed information. Submit any required financial documents promptly to avoid delays. Review the loan agreement carefully before accepting any terms. Make sure to understand the repayment options and when the repayments will begin. After approval, keep track of all communications from Sallie Mae regarding your loan. Consider setting reminders for important deadlines related to your loan and study abroad program. Maintain open communication with Sallie Mae if you have questions or need assistance during the process. Stay informed about any changes to your study abroad program or financial situation that may affect your funding. Lastly, have a financial plan in place for managing your expenses during your time abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.